You're in business. If you're in Nigeria, you can get the Hoyo. You can get the Hoyo. So this is the before. Food as well. And this is the jollof rice with goat meat. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am JC. If you are new here from JustLostJC here, oh whatever. Okay, so let's start with the obvious. The background is a bit different, okay? Today we're giving orange and white. Today we're giving half and half, okay? And the reason for that is because I have moved. I'm in Nigeria at the moment, so I just wanted to do a life update about me living in Nigeria permanently, perhaps, maybe visiting more often, maybe putting my residence here. I don't know, okay? Just stick around for the video so that you can see what's going on. I had to put on the fan. It's actually hot. Like, it's actually hot. And it's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I woke up early so that I can do this video without sweating and everything. And yet it's too hot. What is that about? What is that about? Listen, I'm just trying to be me. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Anyway. Okay, so let's all catch up. So I have been here for I think about a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks at this point. I am currently in Lagos. So if you don't know, Lagos is in Nigeria. It's one of the cities in Nigeria. It used to be the capital, no longer the capital. Abuja is the capital now. I remember when they changed that and I was like, what does that mean? Now what? So anyway, I still don't 100% know what that means. But anyway, Lagos is not the capital, but this is where we are right now, or me and my family are. So my parents actually live here, which is what I'm doing here. I'm visiting them, as well as, you know, looking around, seeing how the grounds are. Listen, I heard the squirrels were coming back for December. So I said, let me come and see myself, okay? I want to see what my eyes can see myself, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. I don't think there's anything. It's not a crime. Is it a crime? Is it a crime? Can they lock me up? I don't think so. So
what is wrong with you? Are you normal?
I decided to come back, see Wagwan, you know, here in the winter time, which I have never been here in the winter. So this is a very new experience for me, but I am enjoying it thus far. It is hot though. It is hot, and it's allegedly supposed to be more cool this time of the year. Allegedly supposed to be Harmattan. Allegedly. Again, this whole week it's like 88, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. So I don't know where the hammer is, but I know where the tan is because I'm getting a tan because it's sunny and it's hot. Okay, so yes, I'm in a house in Lagos, my parents' flat here. So I'll give you a mini tour just so you can see how it is. But you know, it's nice, small, comfortable, real cute or whatever. So I have definitely been enjoying it. Okay, so yeah, this is the outside, obviously. Some snake plants and that. And then this is the net that we put on the door. Then you come on in into one of my favorite spots. This is the outside sitting area, pretty much where we have dinner and stuff. It has a lot of breeze there, so we love that. Then you come in here, we have the kitchen. Don't watch the stuff in the sink, yeah. People live here. All the dishes. It's not an African house if you don't have some kind of veg on the table. All the spices and that. Cute little stove, which I'm into. And then a little microwave. Then come on out this way. Have the fridge. This is a storage area. So this is the bathroom and the toilet, both separate. Ciao. Just the toilet. And then just the shower. This is like all my stuff. Listen, I love the shower. It's nice and big. So Then get in here. We have the living room area situation. There we go. Last supper, and then this. Oh wait, did I say that was the dining room? This is the living room here. Situation. The rocking chair. And then pictures like us. Innocence. And the hallway, this is my room. You don't need to suit art. It's a lot of suitcase and ting and ting. Another room here. This one I kind of used to work out. And then have a little back door area. I have the screen up because mosquitoes are real. But yeah, we can hang clothes out there to dry, which is the thing to do here. It actually dries really quickly. Oh, a lizard. To get to the real gist of why I came, okay, there is an award called the AMA Award Ceremony. It's basically the African Movie Academy Awards. I think it was founded by Mrs. Peace Osigwe, and it has been going on for 14 years or a bit over 14 years. So it's been a thing for a long time, recognizing small and larger films, but mainly smaller films, animations, within Africa, and then also throughout the diaspora. They have many different movie categories and stuff. So I came specifically to go to that. Some of you know that I am in theater, that I am in acting, but in New York. And I was very curious to see how the scene is, especially for small filmmakers, especially for smaller projects, which I have been fortunate enough to be in some really great student films and stuff before I started being able to audition for larger things, just to get some practice. And I think the practice was invaluable. So I was just curious to see how they did it. And so I went to the AMA Award. So I'm gonna put in some footage here because it was quite interesting, you know, getting ready for it, being able to dress up and do makeup and all of that. It was really cool. So I actually ended up going, instead of being here, to a hotel, because at the moment when I was preparing to do the AMA Awards, or the day the AMA Awards was approaching, our air conditioning broke. And it's like here, if you don't have air conditioning and you're trying to do your makeup, especially if you're not prepared. Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing. The way I do my makeup, just regular, basic. I don't have all the mattifying products. I literally just bought like face powder the other day, and I'm not even 100% sure it's the right color. Okay, it's looking a bit light. I'm not gonna lie to you. Or maybe I'm just tan, but it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Okay. So in essence, I'm not a very big makeup guru, makeup savvy, but I have noticed here that it's very important to have matte foundations, matte this, matte that. And the foundation that I have is more of a satin finish, and that can turn oily very quickly. So in essence, I was not able to do my makeup here, or I would just look crazy by the time I got to where the event was going to be held, which I think would have been a 45-minute drive from here with traffic, because of traffic. If not for traffic, it could be 20 minutes, but Lagos traffic, I thought LA traffic was bad. Lagos traffic, my dear, you'll be sitting there for hours. So for me, I said, let's just get a hotel close, 10 minutes from the place, the location that we're going, so I can get ready there. So I'll put in some clips here of how that went. It was actually super fun. Hello, can I get a hello? So this is the before. See all my stuff scattered in the wind. But I am waiting. I had to bring my dress to the people in the hotel. They have a laundry and ironing service, which I did not know, but it came in super clutch because I brought my own steamer here. But I didn't realize the voltages and stuff here are different. So the voltage of that basically fried the extension that they gave me. So basically, a long story short, I couldn't use the steamer and steam my dress myself, but luckily they had that service, so they're ironing the dress for me, and then afterwards I will be doing my makeup. Hopefully it comes out all right, because I don't do makeup myself. I do little makeup, but not like this is gonna be a bit more extensive than usual, so hope for the best, prepare for the worst though. Update. Prepared, ready to go. Okay. My mom's coming too. Oh, we made it. This is nice. Made it to the Marriott where the event is being held, so excited. Oh my god, I'm kind of sick, so but I made it in the event. That's cool. Look at this. I gotta say, I'm enjoying this. So it is the next day. The event, I will say, was pretty much a success. I actually just finished filming a YouTube video, so maybe you guys will see that after this. I'm not really sure how I'm doing this, but the event was a success. So we are getting ready to leave. We just have to figure out some sort of dinner and food for today. But yeah, I gotta say I was happy with the way the look was looking. The look was looking. The look it was looking, okay? So yes, that is essentially the life update that I wanted to give. And who knows, okay? The way I'm enjoying, the way the enjoyment is enjoymenting, okay? I'm gonna have some content and stuff coming so you can see what I'm talking about in terms of food that I'm eating and stuff. It has just been really fun thus far, and I haven't really even been here that long. So basically what I'm trying to say, the way the enjoyment is enjoymenting, okay? Listen, who knows? I might be your neighbor. So comment down below if you live in Nigeria in general, and then Lagos specifically. Please comment down below. Oh my god, I just have to put this in there because I don't know if I got this on the vlog or not, but Akabans, like I got to see Akabans. I should have talked to him. There was a period of time when he was like, I think he was looking for his Uber, so it would have been inappropriate. Because it was a very stressful time leaving the event, because the governor came, Your Excellency, as they call it, the governor of Lagos was there, so it was a whole bunch of security everywhere. So trying to get your Ubers when you were outside was just mayhem, okay? Mayhem. But I did see him walking around. I think he was looking for his Uber, but I was like, if you watch his channel, please comment down below. It's one of those random channels. I don't think people will suspect I watch it because, I don't know. I watched the couples channel, I should say, Aka and Claire's channel, and it's a very random thing. I'm not huge on couple channels, but these two are just funny, okay? And I don't watch that many Nigerian, what's it called? Family vloggers. One, I don't watch many family vloggers, period. So it's even more rare that I'm watching them, or very much so random that I'm watching them, but I really like their channel, okay? So I was able to see him, and I don't know if that footage was there, but ooh, and I got to see the short guy. I can't remember his name. I can't pop out, you know, the short guys that go viral all the time that have so much memes. Yeah, if I have a meme of him, I'll put it in. I don't think I do though, but that guy, I got to see him too at the awards. It was really great. Rita Dominic was there. Funke was there. If I put that clip in, it was just a whole bunch of people that I was like, oh my god, I watch you on TV. Some people that I don't know the names, honestly, you know, I barely know the names of people in TV and film here. I'm trying to get way better, or in America, sorry, I'm trying to get way better at that, to just know the industry. But it was just really great to see everyone all dressed up and looking sweet and spicy, spicy. But yes, that is it. Comment down below if you are in the country, and then if you're in the city, So I actually might be stopping at Owerri, and you guys know that I always have my hair oil on deck, honey, okay? To give the curls some thrive, sweetie, okay? The humidity here has been literally trying to kill me. It's trying to kill me, okay? But we're still going through it. We're still hanging in there, going strong. So let me know if you're in the city, because I actually did think of, I've been so upset that unfortunately Shopify doesn't have a good carrier that comes to Nigeria that is reliable and stuff, and I personally don't want to have something delivered and then I have to be getting emails from people asking, hey, did it come, did it not, it's lost in the mail, and all of that, because that is mayhem, that is hectic. Even when people from places that have supposed to have reliable carriers and stuff are doing it, it's a lot to get everything back out and then to look and wait for the package and try and figure out where it went, especially in a language I don't understand. All these phone numbers, it's like I can't call the post office because I don't understand how to even type this number in my phone. Talk less of how to talk to the people in the post office once I get them on the line, because I speak English. So it's just a whole bunch. It's just a whole lot, okay? So I've been annoyed that I haven't been able to get to Nigeria, but I was thinking about you, and I spent literally 2-3 days of the time I was supposed to be packing, mixing the oils, mixing a big box so that I would have enough to bring here, and I had it shipped over. So I'm still waiting for it. It's still on the ship, but I'm anticipating that it might be here end of December, January-ish time. So if you are interested in getting a hair oil, this would probably be the best option for you. Obviously there'll be no shipping charge because you're getting it in person, and if I know enough people are interested, I can set up a stand somewhere, put out an announcement on my community tab about where you can come meet up, grab an oil, all them things there. So tell me if you want to know, okay? Owerri, Lagos, those are the main 2 places that I'm gonna be. You know, so those are the main 2 places I can anticipate making the oil available, but definitely Lagos, because that's where the shipment is dropping off. So finally, you're in business. If you're in Nigeria, you can get the oil. You can get the oil. All the people that ask me, does it ship to Nigeria? And I haven't been able to say yes. Unfortunately, it doesn't. Now we got a decent amount here. Obviously, it's a limited amount. I didn't bring all my supplies to remake, but limited, but decent amount. And we love to see it. And you can see the heel is thriving, okay? It's thriving despite the humidity. Anyway, that's all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on OMALICHILD.com if you're interested in purchasing an oil in any other country and stuff. You can definitely check the site, see if we ship to where you are. As usual, I'm gonna leave you. Take care, guys. It's too far. I can't reach it.